What is up, guys? My name is Ben and this is Cowabunga Car Diaries. Right guys, this is the first video of my new channel, Cowabunga Car Diaries. My name is Ben and I own an Fn2 Type R 2010. Basically, all the channel is going to be about is the process of me modifying and doing up my car. Basically, I am in no way an expert. I don't know everything, so I fully expect loads of comments about you're doing this wrong, you're doing that wrong, but I'm in this to learn new stuff and to try and do as much as I can and show you all the process of me doing it, basically. What I'm going to be doing on the channel, like I've got a few videos planned. I've bought some mods already for the car, which I've already done. So the next video after this little introduction one will probably be me running through what I've already done to the car, where the bits are from, where I had them fitted and stuff like that. Coming up, I've got 20mm high back lowering springs, which I'm hopefully going to be filming them being fitted down at the garage. So I'll do a video on that. I've got a lot of stuff going on underneath the bonnet, so I'll be doing some videos on that. New hoses will be going in. It's all based around the theme of Cowabunga Car Diaries, because I don't know if you know, I run another YouTube channel called Cowabunga Collectibles. I've been doing that just over a year and it's taken off really well. Basically, I'm obsessed with turtles and I'm going to be kind of using this car to promote that and my toy business that I run, buying and selling toys, as well as it just looking badass and looking like the turtles. So there'll be stuff under the bonnet that I'll be doing, hoses. I'm going to be getting a lot of stuff hydro dipped at a friend's place in Newton Abbot, close to where I live. He's going to be doing some theme stuff to go along with the Cowabunga things, which I'm really excited about. Also, I am going to be supercharging the Fn2, so I'm very excited about that. So I'll follow all the process of me doing that. Loads of stuff in the pipelines. So I hope you all enjoy. This is just a little quick introduction of myself, what the channel is going to be about. I'll do a little video of my car, where it is now, and then the next video I'll do a more in-depth video of what I've done to the car and obviously more modifications that I'll be putting on it. So thank you all for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe if you would like to follow me on my car doing up journey. And until the next video, peace!